Here, this one is MB200, and it doesn't have the signal light. It's only a headlight. And on the left, and it's have a brake lever, but on the right side, there's no brake at all, and no brake light either. So today, I'm gonna put the uh, signal light and also brake light. First of all, you can connect this one right here. The yellow is positive and the black is negative, and same thing on that. And you put positive, connect one side together, okay, here, and both light together, and negative. And positive, of course, you take from the yellow, go out, and yellow, go out on this one, okay? That's positive. On this side, negative, you go and connect that into negative right here. Negative. And positive, that's gonna connect to the battery. And the battery that also has the fuse, okay? That's how it go, okay? On this side, the positive, that is going to the orange line. This is the switch that I got right here, okay? This orange is output, the positive output from the switch, okay? And the gray one, that is positive input, that is coming to this line right here, positive output. This positive output come here and connect together, that connecting to the line right here, gray. So the gray, that is positive in, and this is positive, orange positive out for the left light, left signal. Same thing on the other side, which is on the right side. You got that a little light blue, that's positive output to the yellow, which is a positive from other side, okay? And this one, this black line right here, that's negative. Again, it's going to the same negative on this side. All right, so when I do that, and then I can turn on the right here, I mean, not yet, I'm gonna hook on the positive, the negative on this one. See, we connect the negative, and with the line the negative into this negative. Now we can turn that one on. You see how it works? And then you can adjust this, how fast it is. You can go faster by twisting this. Let's see, it go faster. And go slower, you can twist down. So the gray one, you remember that the gray one is positive, that coming from here, that go connecting to the gray, okay? and this is output from orange, output for the positive, and then the light blue is positive output for the right signal. So if I put on the right here, it's gonna flip on the other side. Okay, and let me turn that off. Okay, and is the white blue, that is positive as well. The white and blue right here, that positive, which is coming, same thing, coming over here, and which is coming to this output positive. That's connect. This one is usually for this positive right here, the blue and white positive. That is the positive line for the low beam for the white, and also the high beam for the dark blue. But this case, I don't use this for high beam because other MB also has the headlight. So I use this one connect into the emergency, which is when I turn that the high beam right here, and that is coming to this. That's emergency light that flash at the same time. How do I do that? This from the back right here. This is a negative, right? The black one is negative. Of course, it's gonna connect. It's the same thing as negative right here, and the positive, which is this line. This line right here. This is a white and yellow, and I put that two together. That's why it's coming to the two yellow light. So the yellow and white I combine together, and so that's one can, and that line is gonna connect into the white line right here. So the white line, that is for the low beam. So I use that low beam for the emergency brake. Okay, I can turn that off. Turn that off by switch on top that high beam. That's gonna turn it off. But when I turn it off, it's go like this. It's high beam, because high beam is gonna switch into this one, the high beam right here. But I just leave it open, so it's kind of like turn off. And then when I switch it down, so that's gonna give you the emergency. So again, this is a positive line that connect into this one, and then they have another two line right here. This one, the two line right here, that is positive too, but it's for the, you can use that for the horn, but I haven't put that on yet. So you can figure out to do the horn for this line right here. When you do other things fine, and then this horn you can connect it as well. Same method. Okay, for the brake, let me turn this off. Okay, for the brake light, this one, because I don't want the blinking, that's why I don't connect this brake light into this one, because this one is output for the blinking, and I connect the positive side at the bottom, because this one is positive right here, so it's not blinking. I go connect on that positive and go into one of this lever. One of this lever, the black one, is positive in, and then of course it's positive out. And if positive out, that go all the way down to the tail light. The tail light is the green and the red. That is, two of them is a brake light. So I combine it together. Of course, when I use this, it's gonna give me the light on. When I press this one down, see? See? And this one is not blinking because you can hold that long as much you can, and then you turn it off, right? That's why I don't put in the blinking thing, because it's not the brake. And here we go, because this one lever for the right side, I don't put on the brake, and I just use that for the brake light. So every time I squeeze the brake and also squeeze on the left at the same times, so the brakes go up, will turn on, and then the bike also stop, you know. So that's why I combine both, because I don't want to install the front brake. All right, so later I'm gonna put everything on the bike, and I'm gonna continue let you see how I complete it.